Welcome to Real Civil YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain you how to calculate design earthquake vertical force VBDV at the base of the structure using IS 1893 2025, which is the latest code or updated code. In my previous video, I have explained how to calculate design earthquake horizontal force VBDH at the base of the structure. For that, I have taken one example and I have shown how to apply all these clauses. So, in this video, I will focus only on those things which are not covered in previous video. Okay, so here you can see this is the VBDH formula, and here it is VBDV formula, which is given in part 1 of 2025 code. So if you compare the formula, so this is the VBDH formula, ZIANHTH upon R into W, and here it is for vertical ZIANVTV into W. So you can see this response reduction factor is not there in this formula for vertical force, and instead of ANHTH it is ANVTV, that is normalized vertical spectral acceleration of the structure. Okay, so in last video I have explained how to find this zone factor, importance factor. W was already given, so you can see our video, link is in the description box, or you can click on the I button so that those things will be clear to you. In this video I will show you how to calculate this ANV-TV. Now, one thing I want to mention here, in horizontal force, there was ANHTH, and in vertical force, it is ANVTV. So, to calculate this TH in horizontal force, IS code has provided formula. So, based on the type of the structure and given specification, code has given some formula, list of formula. So this one formula we have used. Okay, but if you want to find this TV, what code says? To see that, we have to go to IS 1893 part 5 2025 page number 29. So here code says natural period corresponding to the fundamental vertical mode of oscillation of the building obtained from modal analysis. That means you need to perform the modal analysis, and then you can get the natural period corresponding to the fundamental vertical mode. So in this example, as I have not performed the modal analysis, I have randomly selected one time period. I just want to show you the further process, how to apply the clauses. Okay, so this was the formula in the code ZIANVTV into W. Z was 0.4. How we calculated this Z? You can see our video. Similarly, importance factor is 1. Weight of the structure was given, and TV. So to get the time period, you need to perform the modal analysis. Okay, how to perform modal analysis? That video is also there in our description box. You can check. So to explain the process, I have assumed this TV as a 0.5 second. Okay, this is pure assumption. I have not performed the modal analysis, but I want to explain you the further process. Okay, now once you have this TV in IS 1893 part 5, sorry, part 1 2025, you have to come to page number 22. Here it is 21, 22. We have used the static analysis equivalent static method, and here you have to come ANVTV. This is what you want to find, right? This ANVTV. All other things are known. So to calculate this ANVTV, the formula is delta V TV into, you have to select one of the case from here. So before that we have to find delta V TV. So to find the delta V TV, in our problem they have given the site class A. So we will look at these three options, and we have assumed the value of TV as 0.5 second. So the 0.5 second, that means it is greater than 0.1, that is greater than zero point 0.1. So the value of delta V TV will be 0.67, right? Because we have assumed the site class A and B. In other cases you can check here. Okay, now go here. Now this value is 0.67. Now you have to check other cases. So here again our site class A and B, time period is zero point 0.5, that means it is greater than zero point 0.4, less than 6 second. So in that case it is 1 upon TV. Okay, similarly in your case, if the time period and site class is different, you can go with, you can apply the same process. Now delta V TV we calculated 0.67. Now ANVTV is equal to this delta VTV into this 1 upon TV. Why 1 upon TV? Because our value is ranging in this category. So ANVTV is equal to 0.67 into 1 upon TV, and our TV is 0.5. So ANV is 1.34. Now we have everything with us, that is, this is zone 0.4, this is importance factor 1, this is 1.34 ANVTV, and this is W. So if you multiply, you will get this force, that is design vertical force VBdV. So this is how you can calculate. So this is the complete process. So thank you. Please like, share, subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.